it's your girl Trisha back in another video. So today we are going to be talking about how to make 2022 your best year. Okay, so if 2021 was like the worst year, like if it was your worst year ever, then 2021, then 2022 is going to be the best year. I feel like I'm used to saying 2021, so if I confuse my statement behind there, just get it. You know what I meant, right? Okay, so this year I got you. If last year I didn't get you, this year I got you, girl. And whatever thing you need, if you're a girl or you're a boy, this is for you. Okay, so that was teen time. Let's get to this video. Yeah. So number one, specifically, it has to be learn how to be happy. Okay, so a few months, or should I say months, because I taught you how to be happy, and I can't really go detail by detail on what it was actually about, or the notes. It was 1 to 12, and I feel like all those stuffs they're amazing. That will teach you how to totally be happy, how to make yourself feel like, oh, you're in heaven, girl. And come on, all the haters who hate you, all those enemies, they go feel like, this girl's not the same girl as you see last year. They're all gonna be shocked, and the only thing right now you have to do is learn to be happy. Okay, so right now my handwriting totally is terrible. Like, I have this nails, and look how they make me write. So bad. And anyway, it's all good. I mean, beauty is a struggle, and they're so beautiful. They look white from afar, but they're not actually white. So number 2 is the be positive. Learn to be positive. I don't mean like in all situations you have to be positive, but always try your best to always feel like in your heart you're positive. You're I don't know, you're taking chance and just being positive, getting that energy. And anyway, the only way, like, also being, I don't know, being positive, is it there and being happy? It should be, but come on, take your time. You should always be positive, girl. And yeah, number 3 is glow up. Glow up, girl. I mean, if you see me like from last year to this year, I've really grown up. Last year, I was super different, but like, if you look at me right now, if you look at the first video I did on, like, it was on, I think, how to be popular in social media. Yeah, it was how to be popular in social media and in school. That video, like, right now I'm looking at it, I'm like, dang, was that me? I clearly don't like it. But then we always have to learn. In each step of life, you have to learn. And I feel like in the next 10 years, I've been looking at myself and I'm like, I'll be talking to you guys and you guys will be, but she was just okay. She was talking about her past. It's always the same. And okay, so number 4 is try new things. Try new things. Don't always be like you're trying the same thing. Like, if you look at me, my style is always different. Like, sometimes I'm a bad girl, sometimes I'm a good girl, and you always have to be, different. But it don't mean you should change your personality, because you have to try to be also a good girl, sometimes a bad girl, sometimes, but don't be such a bad girl. Okay. Number 5, but not least, the last one, and these were like the easiest tips. And number 5 is choose the particular person you wanna be. What I mean, if you're like a particular person, what do you mean? What I mean is that you gotta be something. Like, if you're choosing to be, I want to be a baddie, be a baddie. If you're choosing to be a shy girl, be a shy girl. If you're choosing to also be like a girl like me, talkative and also hyped up, you can be, that's almost like a baddie, but then you're not so much of a baddie. But come on, you gotta have those instincts. You gotta be more of a person who likes I don't know how to say this, but you have to be more a person who's energetic. Yeah, exactly, energetic. You have to be a person who's always ready to be friends with others. You have to be a person who, when you're in a party, you know what to do. And I think we should go back to number 4, which is try new things. I've already gotten more to say. Try new things. What I mean is that when you're like in a party, be a baddie, be hyped up, be all this stuff, be like yo, listen to the music, dance up, and all this stuff. And then when you're now in school, be quiet, listen to your teachers, be calm, and if you're in school, you can decide be a baddie and just to flow on, but never disrespect your teachers. And yeah, so but anyways, that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Always know I upload every single day, so do not miss out. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching.